very glad for getting an opportunity to speak about our first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru was born in Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh on 14th November 1889. His father name is Motilal Nehru and his mother name is Swaruprani Nehru. He was very much loved and liked by kids, and that's the reason he is also called as Chacha Nehru, which means Uncle Nehru. Because of his love and affection for children, every year Nehru's birthday anniversary is celebrated as Children's Day in India. He was born in a wealthy family and was provided with the best education. At his early age, he was sent abroad for studies and obtained his degrees in England from Cambridge and Harrow universities. In 1910, Nehruji completed his studies and returned back to India. In 1916, he married Kamala Nehru. He was a man full of peace and accord. But when he came to know how British people are treating Indians like a slave, he decided to join the freedom movement and join hands with Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, to participate in the non-cooperation movement. During freedom struggles, he faced many obstacles, such as going to jail for many times for protesting against the British. But this didn't affect his spirit to fight for the country. And in the end, he, along with many other leaders, fought a great fight which resulted in India's independence on 15th August 1947. Because of his strong commitment and effort, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was wholeheartedly elected as the first Prime Minister of India. One of the famous sayings of Nehru is, "The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. So let's all work smartly and efficiently to bring the best out of us and make all feel proud about our nation." Jai Hind, Jai